to extend these lines, okay, in case our measurements gets past there. So fixing your best measurements at this chest line here, that is your bust divided by 4. That's where I had it to be. So measure what you have as the darts on that chest line and replace it. We want to always replace our darts. Then add your sewing allowance if you wish. So I'm using 1/2 inch sewing allowance. You can use more than that. Fixing your under bust measurement, also take the dart you have there, measure what you have there, and also replace it. Don't forget to replace your dart. After which you add the same number of allowance you added at the chest line there to the under bust. So mine is 1/2 inch. You can decide to add this allowance when you want to cut. So at the waistline there also, I took my measurement and measure the dart to replace. Take note, the dart as this waist area is not same as the under bust, so you want to also measure it and replace. So we're connecting these lines at the end. Don't connect your actual lines. If you added your allowance, connect from your sewing allowance. So this is what we'll have. I'll just go ahead to label this as our yoke. So if you would be adding a yoke, you make use of that. So if you're making a 2-piece corset, we are done for the front. But if you want this to be a 3-piece corset, just go from that cup we have there, go down by 2 inches, go at the edge there by 2. You can decide to go down by 2.5 at that middle there. So it depends on your preference. At this other cup, we'll also come down by 2 and the middle there by 2 and connect this using a curved ruler. Remember, I'm not connecting this in a straight form. I'm connecting it in a curved form, as you can see. I'll go ahead to label this as my cup 1 and cup 2 because I'm actually sewing this into a 2-cup corset. But if you are making it a 3-cup corset, you can label the upper part as cup 3. So don't forget to indicate your arrows. Where it's going up, you indicate, and the side you indicate, because after cutting this can be so confusing. So you want to indicate. So I'll be joining these 2 sides together to form a 3-cup corset. So let's cut this out and see what we'll have. So you want to cut that side together because of the yoke, and you see here I cut it out straight, as you can see. So let's take out that yoke and cut the main pieces. So let's cut this out. This is what we'll have after cutting these out. So you can decide